Everybody. I'm going to do, not a mallet smash, that's what I was going to do, but puddle pours where I blow on them and make kind of bloomy smashes, I guess. So I am going to use the Arteza pouring colors. Just shake this up real fast. I've got neon orange, forest green, neon pink, neon yellow. Oh my god, I sprayed some varnish down here. Ooh, stinks. And phthalo blue. And I'm using my regular base, which right now is a mix. It's titanium white, but it's a mix of brands. And then Floetrol and water. I'm so disappointed in this stuff. Do not use, or use, do not use on wood at least. I did not have a problem on canvas, but I did have it peel on the wood. It's still peeling. It's just like rubber lifting right off the wood. And that's ruined because I can't really sand that down anymore. So maybe I'll turn that into a Lazy Susan for pouring or something, because I can't use it really for anything else. Just get the bulk of this out, and then yeah, so this is just, it's got Arteza, titanium white, and Artist Loft. So the two brands seem to be living in harmony together, so that's good. Yeah, I don't know if it's peeling because it was on wood, which I primed with gesso and then sanded. I don't know. I haven't contacted the company to ask about it. So I probably won't. Because that base was just the white with the pouring medium. The colors had a little bit of Floetrol in it. And I have a feeling if I were to call, they would say something to the effect of, well, you had other things going on in that pour, so we can't guarantee our product usage unless used exactly as directed on the back. Blah, blah, blah. So that's why I'm not bothering. Normally I'm all about, sending the soup back to the kitchen, but not that one, because I can hear both sides of it. So actually, maybe I should do, I have a lot of white on here. I don't think I'm going to use the yellow. Or if I do, I don't know. I think I'll use mid yellow instead. I know I'm going to get my hair and stuff into this. I already just dipped my chest into it. God. Alrighty. messier than usual, which is why, holy crap, I'm gonna pass out. Yikes. Let's see what we got here. Another one like here. All the other colors hid for that one. Yellow. Not sure how I feel about these. Not as good as a mallet smash. No. Too late for that. Now what? Well, now I wonder what would happen. Let's see what happens. So I have a ton of white space that obviously needs to be covered up. I don't know if I can tilt this all into kind of a really pretty, just a tilted design. I'm hoping. This is pretty. Hang on, do a faster tilt that you can't see. There we go. Things drive me nuts. That's the one problem with this paint, is it's so thick. Takes forever. Tilt that white off that I just poured on, in hopes that it will kind of combine with the rest. Beautiful colors. Oh yay, this is finally starting to move, which is what I want. Alright, so the technique may have been iffy on this one, but the results are a win. Look how that pink is over the other color. That's neat. Alright, so touch up edges. Now, this should level out. My normal paint levels out. My normal paint is not this thick though. So, we'll find out. Kind of getting a little tired of experimenting and thinking I need to just go back to which is thinner paints only mixed with Floetrol and water. That's what I need to go back to. But it sure is pretty, and it kind of all, like, look how that tilted into each other. Colors are beautiful. That's so cool how that happened. I love it. I love it, I love it, and I hope it dries nice and smooth, exactly like it is right now. That will make me super duper happy. So thank you again for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.